What's up, guys? So we're going to be going over the top three stocks for earnings next week. As we can see on our screen, a lot of companies are reporting, but we're only going to be checking out three of them, which are actually on the same day, Tuesday, after the market closes. We're going to be going over Crowdstrike, ChargePoint, and Chewy. So let's go over Crowdstrike. Looking at a price point of under $200 per share, this makes it a nice candidate to sell some cash gear puts. It's not too expensive, but it is around that $100 and $200 price point stock that we like to sell puts on. CrowdStrike is a great company for cybersecurity, which, especially during the pandemic, was a really solid choice because a lot of companies moved online, and there's a lot of cyber threats out there. So a lot of companies are upping up their cybersecurity, and CrowdStrike is definitely a solid choice. So if we head to the options chain, let's see what some potential option plays that we can do are. As we can see, we could do something like a $170 strike cash here put. We would sell it, sell put, and it's going to be a September 2nd expiration date. So if we take a look over here, we are going to have to put down a collateral of $17,000, but in return, we're getting a credit of $174. So this is going to be a 1% return in 1 week, as long as CrowdStrike stays above our strike price that we chose, which was $170. And as we can see here, it's predicting a chance of profit of 85%. So high chance of profit. And if the stock goes below 170 at your expiration, which is September 2nd, you're just going to own 100 shares at $170 each. But regardless of what it does, that minimum credit that you have is going to be yours. And of course, you can always close this contract out early if you don't want to get assigned shares, or if the premium on this contract has bled out enough before the expiration, so you can close it out for most of your profit. So that is going to be an example of a cash tier put on ticker symbol CRWD. Next stock on our list is going to be, of course, ChargePoint, and especially with California banning gasoline-powered vehicles in 2035, electric vehicles are definitely going to be the future. We're already transitioning there with a lot of auto manufacturers building EVs. So ChargePoint is going to help with that electric vehicle charging network to power all of those electric vehicles. So pretty solid stock, pretty solid company, very, very cheap. So people with small accounts can play options on this stock as well. So if we take a look at the options chain, for this example, we'll do a $13 cash secured put. Make sure to go sell put. We're not buying options, and it is going to cost you about. You have to put down $1,300 of collateral, receiving a credit of $15 per contract, which is a little bit over a 1% return in 1 week. And remember, if you do 1% return week over week, that equates to a 52% return year over year, and that'll help grow your portfolio exponentially over the long run. So very, very solid play here on ticker symbol CHPT. Now, next and third stock on our list is, of course, going to be Chewy, another pandemic stock. During the pandemic, a lot of people got like pretty lonely, so they bought some pets. And Chewy is not the granola bar company that we know and love. It is actually a pet company that supplies pet medications, food, treats, and other pet health related products and services for dogs, cats, and a whole bunch of other animals. So Chewy is reporting earnings Tuesday after the market closes as well. If we head over to the options chain, let's see what we can do here. We can go pretty far down. We can do something like a $30 cash here, but I like to sell around a 1% return on investment. So right here, we're collecting a credit of $31, putting down collateral of $3,000. Pretty cheap stock, so a lot of people with smaller accounts are definitely going to be able to sell at least one cashier put. We're receiving $31 of credit per contract. So if you sell multiple contracts, you're getting 31 credit per contract. So it's going to be a nice 1% return as well, 88% chance of profit, and you can potentially get the stock at a cheaper price if the stock drops below $30 per share by next Friday. So that's going to be the option play on Chewy, CHWY. So that's about it for this video. 3 stocks we're watching for next week, as well as 3 potential safe option plays. Where all we're doing is selling cash care puts on some pretty good stocks, in my opinion. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.